Okay, back. I did have some music hooked up through auxiliary, through this little MP3 player. But this bloke here decided to unplug it, didn't ya? So, this is the channel that was blown. I should have done it before video. Unplug it. There you go. She works. We'll see how long for. So far I'm pretty happy with that. I'll put the other one in later. But it's a nice amp. I didn't want to throw it away, that's for sure. And I'm pretty happy that I've fixed it. Here's a bit more crap. Not that you can really see that. Maybe this thing will help. Yamaha receiver that's just not powering up at all. So I've got a capacitor coming and Xenon diode. So I replace them according to the forums and hopefully that works. Rotel tape deck, 12 bucks. That's a part of that. Dirty old tape deck. Tip speakers, AIWA. I think they were 2 bucks. Some Kenwoods, I think they were a couple of bucks. Good old tip shot. Ta mate. Boy, taking off with my gear. Here's another eBay special. Skyray. 4,000 lumens. It's got 3L6 trees in it, which is pretty good. Speaking of lights, here's a HID one that I made up. Where do I put it? I don't know. I might start doing a few videos. So I'll have that as a separate video. Here's the old girl. Anyway, through it.